popping YouTube? It is your girl T Killer, the Killer Tank, and I'm back at you again with another YouTube video. So today the content is kind of getting switched up. I've never really done hair reviews on my channel. I think I have maybe once or twice. That was a long time ago, so if you've been following me since then you probably remember those. Today I'm going to be doing a hair review for the company Klaiyi hair. I also don't think you guys have seen me in a wig on this channel, but if you follow me on my other socials, TikTok and Instagram, which is by the way Tanae Kilva, so go follow me if you want to see more of me. I don't have the original box that everything came in, but I do have everything it came with. So along with the hair, the company sent me 2 wig caps. They also sent me this. I'm pretty sure this is a head scarf. This is satin. And they also sent me a bunch of these types of clips. These are really handy for just putting your hair back when you're doing your makeup, or really good for installing wigs too. I think they also sent me lashes, but I'm not sure where those are. This is what the hair looks like. It's a 99J color. It's basically just like a really dark red burgundy. It kind of looks purple in real life. Like, I don't really know how to explain it. It's like a really bright but dark purple. It's 24 inches straight, and I'm pretty sure this is a 13x4 lace front. This is what the lace looks like. Looks pretty good, honestly. And running my hands through it is super easy. It doesn't feel tangly, knotty. I don't see any shedding. I'm also pretty sure this is pre-plucked, so if you're new to wigs and that, this would be pretty easy to install. I've done blonde and I've done brown with highlights and I've done pink, but I've never done any type of red, so I guess this is my red hair phase. Now I'm gonna go prepare to get this hair installed. I'm gonna wash my hair and stuff because this is like day 5 hair. And you need to start off with washed hair when you're installing a wig, or else your head is gonna be itchy and burning and itching, and you don't want that. It also just helps the application so your hair will last longer, the lace will last longer. So I'm gonna go do that. I'm gonna head over to my friend's house and she's going to do the braids and she's gonna install it for me and all of that good stuff, and then you guys get to see how I transform to cute to a bad bitch. So if you want to see the results, then keep watching.
Elijah Paris.
Several days later.
Okay, so my camera literally died and I cannot find the battery. This is the type of stuff that happens when I try to record and it just like throws my whole mood off, and then I don't want to record anymore. But we're gonna keep going. I'm using my phone now. So if the quality got weird now, that's why. I'm just gonna go in my straightener. I don't have to do too much. I don't have to do too much since it was already straightened before, but I'm just using 400 heat with my flat iron. And yeah, I'm just gonna speed up this process and I'll see you guys when I'm done.
Elijah Paris.
some wax. This is the wax by She Bomb. Here we are. This is the finished look. Honestly, if I could do some big pinwheel curls, I would, but I don't know how to do that. So we're just gonna keep it simple and we're just gonna do straight. You know, it's still giving. I love this color. Like I said before, if you guys like this hair as well and you want to get the same hair, there will be a link in the description box down below to take you to the website and to the exact wig that I'm wearing here. And you guys can look like a bad bitch too. I went from cute to a bad bitch. Definitely recommend this company for hair. It's not giving me any problems. It's super soft. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below some other video suggestions you may have for me and I will do them. If you have any other hair suggestions that I should try out, any colors of wigs or anything, then let me know that as well. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.